ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're exploring a fascinating spot in Istanbul that many tourists miss, Galataport. This isn't your typical tourist trap. It's a vibrant blend of history, culture, and modern life, all set against the stunning backdrop of the Bosphorus. Galataport is a relatively new addition to Istanbul's landscape, but it's built on centuries of history. Let's dive in and discover what makes this place so special. Did you know that this area used to be Istanbul's main port? For centuries, ships from all over the world docked here, bringing goods and people to this bustling city. The old warehouses you see around Galataport are remnants of that era. Look closely, and you'll see the signs of the past. The ironwork, the brickwork, they all tell a story. Galataport has done a fantastic job of preserving this heritage while creating a modern space. So what can you do at Galataport? Well, there's something for everyone. Foodies, rejoice! The area is packed with amazing restaurants and cafes, serving everything from traditional Turkish cuisine to international flavors. You can enjoy a delicious meal with a stunning view of the Bosphorus. Shopaholics, get ready to indulge. Galataport has a great selection of shops, from local boutiques to well-known brands. You can find unique souvenirs, stylish clothing, and everything in between. Culture vultures, you're in for a treat. Galataport is home to the Istanbul Modern Art Museum, showcasing contemporary art from Turkey and beyond. It's a must-visit for art lovers. And let's not forget the star of the show, the Bosphorus. You can take a leisurely stroll along the waterfront, watch the ships go by, and soak in the beauty of this iconic waterway. There are also boat tours available if you want to explore further. Here are a few insider tips for you. Did you know that Galataport has a secret underground tunnel? It was used to transport goods between the docks and the city. Today, it's home to some cool art installations. Another hidden gem is the old customs building, which has been transformed into a beautiful event space. Keep an eye out for concerts, exhibitions, and other events happening there. If you're looking for a unique experience, check out the local markets that pop up around Galataport. You can find handmade crafts, local produce, and other treasures. Galataport is a must-visit destination in Istanbul. It's a place where history and modernity meet, offering a unique blend of experiences for every traveler. So next time you're in Istanbul, make sure to add Galataport to your itinerary. You won't be disappointed. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and adventures. And let me know in the comments if you've been to Galataport or if you're planning to go. Thanks for watching.